Hello my friends, it's Sheree. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. It's that time of day before I go to work or get ready for work. And I just came into my craft room and I wanted to try something, so I'm going to share it with you. So this is 10 minutes of crafting, so I'm going to start the timer. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Just one second, let me start it. Here we go. Is it going? Yes, it is. Okay, so what I wanted to do is make a little charm with these, using these ladybug and bee little, they have like a little dot sticker on the back that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I hadn't used any of them yet. So I have from a game that we, wait a minute. These, I guess I have more from a game. Yeah, I do. I have like a ton of these. These I think I got at, I must have got these at a thrift store. It says 49 cents right there. But I have more from a game. But anyway, I'm using these today. And what I did, I already made one, but I'm going to show you. As you can see in here, sorry about the crinkle here. Let me get a few out. Hope that's not too loud. And so they're burgundy and this light wood color. So what I'm doing is, let's see, first I'm going to punch a hole because I don't know if I'll be able to punch a hole after I get these on there. These might be in the way, the little bees and ladybugs. So I took my crocodile and I've punched holes through a wooden nickel before, but these feel like they're kind of harder. You know, the wooden nickels feel like they're a little bit softer wood than these, but, you know, these just felt a little, maybe not necessarily thicker, they just felt harder, but I was like, I don't know if this is going to go through here. So I tried it, and sure enough, I don't want to put my hole too far down. And so I just did it, squeeze, and there I go. It worked. It put a hole in there. Yeah, sometimes that crocodile amazes me. So let's do a couple, or see how many we can do in my 10 minutes of crafting. My little hole's still in there. Let me get something to poke that out with. I should have thought of that. That's taken up time now. Let's see, where's my little, here it is. Hold on, let me grab this. The little pokey thing you get from Dollar Tree also. I have my awl in there, but yeah, I'm trying to get it out of here. Oh, it actually fell out now that I was messing around. Okay, so let's poke another hole here. And we're just going to see how many of these I can do, and then I can have them ready. So I have some little bulb pins here too. These are colorful ones that I recently picked up, and I just thought of this as I was talking. I also have some little ball chains that I could put through this hole and hang it from something. So the idea is for these to be little charms. So I just made a ladybug one. I'll show you that I put on my farm journal. But I'll show you that in that flip through, which as of this, when you see this video, you may or may not have seen it yet. So I don't know. I'm going to show that in another day or two. Try to get this glue off my hands now. Okay. So yeah, there's a little sticky, you know, foam dot on the back of these, and I'm taking a little paper off, and then adding. Let me see how the other one's doing that I just made. Yeah, it feels sturdy. So I'm just putting these on here with some Fabri-Tac, putting it on that little dot. You could take the dot off if you wanted to and put it all over the back of there. I'm just putting it on the little dot, and then I'm going to place this on here. I want to use the burgundy ones. I don't want to just use the light ones. So this little bee shows up really nicely on this darker background here. So I got that one placed. And you could mix it up, put a ladybug and a bee. I just kind of like how it looks. I tried that before the video, and I kind of like how it looks better with the same, like 2 bees or 2 ladybugs. So let's do this one, another bee. It's like, you know, a little couple there, a little couple on the charm. So I would let that dry. And then I'm just going to pick out randomly a little bulb pin. Let me get a few out here. So it can not crinkle so much. Okay, I'm going to pick one out. I said randomly, but this one looks like it almost matches that color. Not that it has to. And then put the ball pin. I don't have any ball chains out here, or I would use one of those. But there you go, a little charm. Let me get that going. There we go. Isn't that cute? Pretty adorable, right? Okay. And oh, here's my little wood chunks that I poked out of the piece there. Okay, so let's do this one. On these, I'm doing the Ladybugs. Let's dump some of those out. Get those going. Pull our piece off the back here. And so once you get going with these, you can knock some out pretty quickly. So yeah, when I bought these, I did not know what I was going to do with them. But I kind of got this idea from Anna at Anna Chateau, and I'll try to remember to link her channel below. But she made some with a little heart sticker, like a foam or something like that heart sticker. I have some too, so I could have done that, but I kind of wanted to do, do something different if I could. And I had these little wood discs here, so put Ladybugs on this one. As you can see, I'm doing the bees on the darker one. So I'm just going to pick out a random little green bulb pin here, and this one will be ready to go. I do need to let those dry, so there we go. There's another one, and I can hang that. What I do is usually hang, if I do something like this, I hang it from the little tie closure around the journal, you know what I mean? Because it's kind of a big, it's not a tiny little charm or anything, of course. So I usually just, or you could also hang that from a tassel. So let's see if we can do a couple more here. Yeah, my wood chunk is in there again. The little wood chunk that you punch out. Let's see. Oh, it just falls out the top. Okay. So let's cut a couple more here, a couple more holes. But you get the idea. I thought that was pretty cute. I thought those were pretty cute, or I thought they were very cute. And that you might enjoy an idea if you picked up some of those from Dollar Tree, an idea of how to use them. Of course, there's probably so many more ways to use them. They're so cute. But yeah, I hadn't used them yet. And I was like, let me put one of those on my farm journal. That's the funniest little chunk of wood. And, use some of these. Okay. So a couple more Ladybugs for that one. A couple of bees for this one. And we'll have a couple more charms here. Lickety split. You could get this going in mass making. Just line them all up and go to town. Do it pretty quick if you wanted just to use them all up and you had all these supplies, which aren't that many, right? And you could use whatever glue you like. Okay. But I'm just glad to be able to use them and use some of these wood discs, things like that. Just use some of my supplies that I haven't used. I haven't used any of these wood discs either. I like them kind of like just off, kind of angled with each other, so they look like a little couple on there. And then the bees, let's see. So in a matter of 10 minutes here, I think I will have made about 4 of these. And so, yeah, pretty quick. Let me see if I have enough glue on there. This is getting globby here, but I want to make sure I have enough on there. Okay. I got glue on this finger. Okay, now this one. Globby glue this morning. It's toward the end, I guess that's why. Maybe, I don't know. But I want to use, well, I guess I can fill that up. I like using that smaller size, so I've been kind of just refilling that one from the bigger one that I have. Okay, let's see, do I like that position there? Let me see. Get them in position before they dry. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. Now, okay, my time is up, so I'm just going to add these little pull pins and show you all 4. But that was 10 minutes just now. So I almost got 4 done. All I got to do is add the pins here. And I really should let these dry before I start moving them around, so I don't knock one of the little bugs off there. But aren't they cute? So yeah, any little thing that you have that these would fit on, even those little farm. Now when Anna did it, she put one on my little heart sticker. So there we go. Let me line them up here and show you how cute. The bee, the ladybug, and another bee and ladybug. So yeah, awesome, right? All right, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Happy crafting and have a great day.